In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and apply text styles in Figma. So I currently have a Figma file open, and I have just this little module here that has a headline and some body copy. These are styles that I would like to reuse in my file. So the best way to reuse styles across a project or a file is to create text styles out of the styles I've created here. So first I'm going to select this headline, and let's just look over here on the right. It is Proxima Nova, semi-bold, and 40. You can click on these little dots here to the right and say apply styles. And there's a plus sign here where you can create a new style. I'm gonna click that. This little pop-up box appears, and I'm gonna click show more options. It is automatically pulling this font style and the size of my font from this text right here. I may also want to apply some line height to this. This is currently 1 line, but what if this were to go to 2 lines? You can think about things like that as you're creating your styles. And if you click these 3 little dots down here, you can also see more options for your style. And the most important thing is you want to give this a name that makes sense. In my document, this is probably going to be a headline 2. So I'm going to call it headline 2. You can also give it a description here. I'm just going to click create style. And you can see because I had this selected, it went ahead and applied my new style to it. Let's do the same thing for this body copy. I'm going to select it, click on the dots to the right of the typography panel, and click the plus sign. Let's name this paragraph. Show more options, just checking the size of this. Everything looks good here. I don't need to adjust anything else, so I'm just going to say create style. Let me show you how to apply these styles to just a basic paragraph of text. So I'm just going to use my text tool and draw a shape. I'm going to use the Lorem Ipsum plugin and just put some body copy in here. Say generate. It actually kept this style in this body copy, but I'm just going to go over to the right and show you just to be sure. If I click on this style right here, you can see the 2 styles we created, headline 2 and paragraph. So you can choose between the 2. You could change it to headline or paragraph and apply them using the typography panel. You can also disconnect a style. So let's say you want to do something a little custom in here. You can't really do that with the style applied. So I can detach it with this little broken link. And so this paragraph, even though it still has the same look, it doesn't have that style applied anymore. And so I can make some customizations to this. I can also make it a little bigger. And by changing it here in this detached style, it's not going to affect any of my other text styles in the document. And let's go back over here. Let's say I created this style for headline 2, and maybe I want it to look a little bit different. I want to change the size or something inside the style. So all you have to do is click on the style, and this little text styles box opens, hover over that style and go to the edit style option here. And this will allow you to make changes to the style. So let's say we want to go a little bolder, maybe even a little larger. And so this will apply this style change to everything in this file that has the style applied. So that's how you create and apply text styles in Figma. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design and Figma tutorials. Thanks so much.